Truly, what a time we are living in. I finish up reviewing and playing around with one model, and then when I look back, there are two more new models just around the corner, which are as good as the previous ones, or maybe better. In this video, I am going to cover this Fimbulvetr model, which has been really awesome over the last few months in various flavors, and the creators has just released, I think a few minutes ago, this new model which has already been even quantized by few of the people. This model, as usual, seems to be good quality, and these models have always been based on the previous solar models, and they bring in some unique context all the time. This new model has been extended to 16K context length with Posse. And if you don't know what Posse is positional encoding, and it is a technique used in transformer based models to help the model understand the context and position of words in a sequence. And that is why these models are always shine through. Also, the creator left rope theta at 10K for this train instead of expanding it like with Estino 3.3. Solar did not play well with extended theta. So, and also the gradient loss, I mean, went parabolic or plunged from 1000 plus down. So, the training run was done very differently for this model. Also, um, it says that it will be good that if you just stick to this context provided already and don't play around with it to get the most of the performance out of this model. I'm going to drop the link to this model in video description. Read through some of the other great stuff as how to set the settings and parameters because the creator has um, explained it very well. Okay, now before I show you the installation and we play around with it, because also remember this is an uncensored one, so be careful there. Let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to get cheap GPU for rent, I will highly recommend them. I will drop the link to their website in video description. Plus, I am also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. For this video, I am using Ubuntu in GUI and I am also going to use NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM for this model. So let me launch LM Studio. That is the tool I'm going to use for this video. And if you don't know what LM Studio is, I already have done heaps of videos, so please search the channel. And then launch LM Studio, simply write Fimbulvetr 11 billion v2.1 16K. Make sure to write it full because there are a lot of other variants of this model. So once you press enter, you will see that few people already have done the quantize just now. And I already have downloaded the best quant available, which is Q8. I think I did this one. Yep. So Nikolai Kozlov has done the favor here and the size is around 11.40 GB as you can see in this file. Okay, so that is all done. Let me load the model and then we will play with it. So I have loaded the model for role play. On the right hand side, if you check the settings which I have done is that I have selected the preset alpaca. It works good with these models in the past, so I have just selected that one. And then I have given it a system prompt which I will paste here so that you could also read later. And then I have offloaded all the layers to GPU. I have set the temperature to 0.95 to make it as creative as possible. Plus I have set the minimum probability to 0.08. Okay, so the role which I have given in system prompt is this. I'm just pasting it here so that you could read. The title is Oracle's Dilemma, and so this is from the Greek mythology, and the prompt is: you're a young philosopher in ancient Athens, seeking wisdom from the Oracle of Delphi. However, upon arrival, you discover that the oracle has been silenced by a mysterious curse. The priestess revealed to you a cryptic message. The truth lies in the shadows of the Acropolis, where the sun does not shine. Your goal: unravel the meaning behind the message, navigate the political and philosophical intrigue of ancient Athens, and find a way to restore the oracle's voice. And then I'm giving it some themes. Character is Socrates, who is my mentor. Oracle silent but still influential. Priestess of Delphi, who is guiding me, and then there are some Athenian politician and philosopher obstacles and allies. That stuff. So let me start the conversation. I will say, hey, philosopher, how is it going, and what is your name? There you go. So it says my name is Aristotle. Okay, that is interesting because Aristotle was a student of Plato and Plato was student of Socrates. But anyway, okay, so it is just saying, how about it is asking me. Okay, so I will play along. I'm just going to tell it about myself. So I'm saying that greeting Aristotle. I am Diotima, a philosopher and a mystic from Mentine. I have been traveling through Greece, seeking wisdom and sharing my own insights. I have heard rumors of oracle silence and blah blah blah. And then I'm asking it, how do you interpret the phrase of that oracle of Delphi, that where the sun does not shine? Let's see what model says here. You see how beautifully and in a very lucid, concise way it has adopted the role, and then talking to me about the enigmatic work, and it is saying that I am eager to explore this further with you and discover the meaning behind these enigmatic words, and it has really paired up with me in a very, very fine way. And now let me carry on the discussion. So I'm just now saying, your insight says illuminating. Aristotle, your interpretation resonates deeply as it echoes the sentiments of my own philosophical musings, indeed. And then I'm just asking it, shall we proceed with caution and curiosity, my friend? The whisper of the oracle silence beckon us to unravel the mystery. Let's see what model does here. And of course, I'm not writing it by myself. This is being written by my another model, which is Llama 3. So don't worry, I'm not that philosophical. And now look at this. Let us embark on this journey with caution, cautious optimism. So and then let's make it a bit strange. So I'll just say, how about we have lunch first? Shall we order KFC with Uber Eats? Okay, so it hasn't said anything about Uber Eats or anything about that era. So it's just say let's grab a bite to eat. Okay, can you order it from your own phone? Okay, modern convenience. Okay. Shall we split the bill or shall one of us cover the cost? Okay, so interesting. So that's it, guys. Um, I'm very impressed by the model as usual. It really falls into the role. It doesn't say no, and that is one thing. It hardly refuse you anything. This is one thing about these models. Anyway, let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.